Hi everybody, I just got this humidifier, so I just want to show you how it looks like and how big it is if you're planning to get one of these. So this is the box. Here you have some instructions, the French side, and then let's open it up. By the way, no essential oils in the water tank. This is basically what we have to do to assemble it. How to put this part here. Then it came with one of these vapor pads. This is sweet orange, lavender, and well, other herbs. So we can put this here. Is it the right way? There we go. Let's place this part here, the disc, and finally you will add this here. This is how it looks. We are going to fill up this with water and then plug it. I'm adding filtered water, by the way. Okay, here you can plug it in. We'll turn it on. I don't know if, oh, this is medium. This is the way that you change. And immediately, I don't know if you can notice this, but the air immediately start coming out. That's fantastic. And night and the light is dark. Let me turn on the light so you can see how this looks. If the room is dark, you have these colors. I like the yellow one. And then you can see it's pretty cool. So it changes in color. Oh, it's pretty neat. You can see this. So yeah, that's the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.